Kanti guys, yini le eyenzwa ngamaZimbabwean kuphela engayenziwa ngamanye ama-foreigners eSouth Africa, eyenzwa ngamaZimbabwean kuphela okwenza ukuthi amaZimbabwe azonde kangaka? Okungathiwa lokhu hayi siyakubamba yikho lokho okwenziwa ngamaZimbabwean. Kungathiwa kule nto ethile le hayi kuthiwe ngamaZimbabwe kuphela okungayenziwa ngamanye ama-foreign nationals. Because uma ungathi emsebenzini wonke ama-foreign nationals ase-South Africa babuye ngendlela ezitshiyeneyo, bonke bazodinga imali. It's not like ukuthi amaZimbabwean kodwa yiwo azodinga imali. Ungangena ezitaradeni asiwo wodwa amaZimbabwean adayisa esitaradeni. Ungene la emakhishini asiwo wodwa amaZimbabwean asebenza emakhishini. But I can tell you ukuthi awusoze uthola amaZimbabwean edayisa ama-drugs. Awusoze uthola amaZimbabwean ehijack ama-building. Lapho ngiyakutshela for sure ukuthi ngeke ukuthi uthole iZimbabwe uthola i-hijack i-building seliyenze yani. But amaZimbabwean azondwa kabuhlungu kangaka. Abanye benye lingama-South African libhadala i-rent kuma-Nigeria, yiwo libhadala kwi-rent, yiwo asebengabanikazi be-economy. I can list indawo engizazi khona ukuthi most of indawo zonezo ama-buildings akhona ownwa ngama-Nigerians. But alibazondi ngendlela elizonda ngayo ama-Zimbabwean. Why? Ngokuthi wona ama-Nigeria alemali kakhulu. Yini engaka mpela ongathi wena hayi le ngiyayisingle out i-reason why ngizonda ama-Zimbabwean? Yes, I know ukuthi kunabanye ama-Zimbabwean abalutshwana futhi abagangilela ababamba inkunzi kakhulu eHippo. We cannot really support that ukuthi bagange. But also ukuganga kwabo, we can't paint all Zimbabweans who are in South Africa. Ngoba le ndaba ungayibheka kahle yathi iqala le ama-foreigners. Kwakuthiwa foreigners that. But kuthe sobebona that esemaklinika kusela bani, yabuya straight to ama-Zimbabweans. So khulunywa kuthiwe ama-Zimbabwean ama-players awo adlalile eSouth Africa, ama-musicians abo abanye bakhona base-South Africa, ama-locals ama-TV representer. So into yakwahle bonto kahle kahle lapha indaba kahle kahle ngamaZimbabwe. Yini le engaka ama-Zimbabwean ayenzile ebona ukuthi ayifani lamanye ama-foreigners angcono, ama-Zimbabwean yiwo are really bad in South Africa? Yini?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangibhode weZimbabwe uyabuda lana awubuta ama-South Africans ukuthi why ama-South Africans azonda ama-Zimbabweans ngale ndlela, uthi why kube ngibo labazondwa kakhulu, kube ngibo labadrekwa kakhulu lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. Uthi nje niyabanyanya anibafuni, kungani nibazonda kangaka, banindindi lengaka kuze nibazonde bona as Zimbabweans? Uthi bona bendi bugebengu. Most of the time la South Africa bugebengu bendwa ama-Nigerians, but anwazondi ma-Nigerians njengoba nizonda bona. Maybe is it because bona they have money? Is it because Nigerians have money? Why nibazonda ngale ndlela? So ubutile lapha na ku-TikTok and people are saying ukuthi sinizonda nonke, anihambeni nonke. Somewhere saying ukuthi because nina nicelela kundlula onke ma-African nje la khona. So I'll comment when down on the comment section. Usho ukuthi, do you think what this guy is saying is true? And if it's true, why nwazonda ma-Zimbabweans? Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lentsha letako. This is the end of my video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.